If you did not know, there's actually a way you can use to make money on Deriv without having to actually trade forex or indices or binary options, and this way is all possible because of Deriv P2P. So what is Deriv P2P? This is a feature whereby you can buy and sell dollars or exchange with your local currency within among traders. Okay, so on today's video I'm going to show you a way you can actually make some extra money aside from your trading, and I've seen a lot of people doing this and they're really making money. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're currently seeing over here is actually Deriv P2P. If you've got some dollars, you can actually sell them. Okay, if you want dollars, you can buy. If you are having some dollars, you can actually sell them and receive in your local currency. Okay, you can as well create ads. Okay, once you create an ad, people will be able to buy from you and so on. Okay, so when you scroll here, you're going to see that a lot of people have their own rates. Some have got high rates, some have got reasonable rates, some have got low rates. Okay, so I myself are from Zambia and the currency is ZK or ZMW or ZMK. I don't know which one is official. So when I go to Google, $1 is equals to 16.94 Zambian kwacha. So I'm going to copy this. So $1 is equals to 16.94 Zambian kwacha. Okay, and when you go to Deriv P2P, you're going to find that people are selling, okay, at 18 kwacha. 18, it looks like the minimum they're selling at is actually 18.15. so they're actually making more profit because this is currently the rate. Okay, although this rate might not apply to banks, but this rate may be closer. Okay, but this rate we're seeing here is just too much and people are really making profits from this. Okay, so now let me explain more on this. So this is the current rate. $1 is equals to 16.94, and we'll take for this one example. Okay, so let's take for example this guy over here called Blossom FX. Okay, so Blossom FX, okay, is selling like $1 at where is that? Okay, at 18.8. okay, so it's selling 18.8. so let me just grab my phone. So I'm going to subtract 16.94 from 18.8. okay, so Blossom FX makes a profit of about 1 kwacha point 86 per US dollar he sells on Deriv. Okay, because his rate is 18.8, so per dollar he sells, he actually makes a profit of 1 kwacha point 86. so let us say he was selling $500. How much profit would he make? So let us say he's selling 500, okay, USD at the rate of 18.8. okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to multiply 500 times 18.8. so this is going to be Zambian kwacha 9400. okay, but if you actually multiply $500 plus this official rate, it's going to give us 500 times 16.94. it's going to give us it's going to give us of about 8470. okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 8470 from 9400 and see how much profit it would make. So let us say 9400 minus 8470. So it's going to make a profit of about 930. Okay, so how much is 930 Zambian kwacha in dollars? Okay, so he would make of about $54. Okay, so as you can see, this is actually real profit. Okay, so from $500 you make of about $54 profit. Okay, which is very good, because imagine if you are buying and selling like every day and you're making transactions of about $500 every day, you would definitely be making of about $50 every day as profit. Okay, but here is what you need to know when it comes to Deriv P2P, is that first of all, you need to have a good completion rate. So for example, this guy has got 100%, 98, 100%, 66%. This is a good completion rate. And the other thing people look at when it comes to buying and selling dollars is they look at how many transactions you've done in the past. So as you can see, this one has done of about 250 plus, the other one has done about 100 plus, the other one has done 250 plus. Okay, so the other thing again you have to make sure of is that like you need to be online when it comes to this. Like most of the time it's supposed to be online, so that you maintain your completion rate. For example, when I click on this person over here, okay, you're going to see that the average release time is 5 minutes. People do not want to wait for long when they want to buy or sell dollars to you, so you need to be able to release dollars or send back the money as quick as possible to maintain that trust. Okay, yeah, so I think this is something I'm looking into starting. Okay, but for you to be able to make money with this, you really need to be doing a lot of big transactions. Okay, so the tricky part is that you need to create two adverts. The other advert whereby you'll be buying the dollars at the lowest price and you'll be selling them at the highest price. The difference is your profit. Okay, so I think this is forex. This is what forex is all about. Simply about buying low, selling high. So this is basically also forex, but here there are no risks. Okay, there are no risks. There is no need for putting stop loss and stuff. Okay, the only thing you can be worried of if someone tries to become clever and refuse to send you the money. Yeah, but otherwise Deriv has got strategies in place to help you if such a thing was to happen. Yeah, so I think I'm going to start out this just to have another source of income, since I'm always online, so it would work out. So in case you see my adverts anywhere, simply buy from me or sell from me. I would really appreciate. By the way, you can only use Deriv P2P with people within your country. So if you're from another country, you want to be able to see my advert. Okay, so let me just show you my profile. So this is my profile and it's Catherine. So I joined about 384 days ago, so more than a year ago. So my ID has been verified. Yeah, so for this to work, you actually need your ID to be verified. My address is optional, but your address needs to be verified to increase trust. Okay, so my daily limit is $500, which is okay. And as you can see, my buy completion rate is 100%, which is supposed to be good. Okay, and my trade volume is about $355, which is okay. Total orders 7, sale completion. So as you can see, I've only bought dollars once. Okay, and I've been selling only, so I've sold over about 6 times from the profits I've been making, and the average pay time is 3 minutes, which is okay, and the average release time 1 minute, which is perfect. Yeah, and I've got over about 6 trade partners. So my goal is I should try and increase my trade volume to at least $1,000, and I should have at least 10 or 15 trade partners, and my average release time is just okay 1 minute, and this one should also come to 1 minute, then everything will be perfect. Yeah, so in case you're from Zambia and you see my name, okay, you can simply contact me and I'll help you with that. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.